There's a new feature on Skype that allows users to blur their background on video calls. I'm Jessica from techboomers.com, and in this video, I'll be showing you how to blur your background on Skype. Now let's get started. To begin, open Skype and start a video call with one of your friends. Once they answer, hover your cursor over the video icon. Then, click the switch beside Blur My Background to turn the feature on. You should then see that the background of your video has been blurred. It's definitely not perfect, and the outside edges of your face and body may be a little bit blurry. But if the room you're in is messy, or you want to make sure the focus stays on you, this feature can be really helpful. If you want to turn it off, simply click the switch again to disable it. That's all it takes to blur your background on Skype video calls. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below. Check out techboomers.com for over 100 free courses on all of today's most popular websites and apps.